Hello and welcome to this guitar tutorial of MyMusicSchool.com. Today I'm going to talk about different warm-up exercises. It's always a good idea to warm up a little bit before you actually start playing for real, just to get in touch with the instrument, to get your muscles going and to get like the base of a good technique. So in this video I'm going to show you some exercises concerning the left hand. In this exercise we're going to work on some hammer-ons, which means we start with our first finger on the 5th fret and we're gonna play it and then hammer the second finger on the 6th fret. You can repeat this a couple of times. Then you do it with the 3rd finger on the 7th fret. Then with the 4th finger. Then you can do this on all the other strings as well. Then as a next exercise you can start with your 2nd finger on the 6th fret and make hammer-ons from the 2nd finger to the 3rd finger, and from the 2nd finger to the 4th finger. Lastly, you just go from the 3rd finger to the 4th finger. So this will be a great way to warm up your muscles a bit and just try to make all the notes sound equal and make the rhythm as even as possible to maintain a good technique. You can also practice this with a metronome. Just find a good speed for you that feels comfortable. Rather have it slower than too fast and then slowly increase the tempo. But make sure that it's always properly made and don't rush. So now that we did the hammer-ons, we can do the opposite, which is pull-offs. So we're gonna start with our 4th finger on the 8th fret, going through the 1st finger on our 5th fret. And do this a couple of times. Then we're gonna go from the 3rd finger to our 1st finger. From our 2nd finger to our 1st finger. Next we're gonna go from our 4th finger to our 2nd finger. From our 3rd finger to our 2nd finger. And then last, just going from our 4th finger to our 3rd finger. This one is a bit tough because those fingers are just weaker, but with some practice that will be possible as well. So after doing this, your hands, like your left hand, should feel nice and warm, and you will notice that after this, just everything that you play will feel a bit easier to do, and it's just a great feeling to warm up your fingers and then play. So this video was about hammer-ons and pull-offs. There will be other videos concerning other warm-up exercises for the right hand, for example, for picking, and also other stretching exercises. You can find them in the upcoming videos. Thank you for checking out this video and feel free to book a lesson at MyMusicSchool.com.